Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now, I've got a Pilates class that is supposed to be nice and challenging for our tummy muscles. We are going to work our tummy muscles nice and hard. Strengthening our stomach means that we're helping our posture, we're helping our back. Really, we're just helping the whole body out by making sure our core is nice and strong. Now, this class is a little over 10 minutes, so a nice fast one, either a great one to tack on if you really want to add some extra to your day, or maybe if you've got just a quick little short amount of time, this is a great one to get on your mat, get your stomach working, and then get going. Either way, all levels are welcome, but there are some challenging poses for moments for some of my beginners, so it's probably closer to an intermediate class. Go ahead, roll out your mat, let's get started. We'll start lying on our back today, so go ahead, make your way down. Walk your feet so they're in line with your sitting bones. Move your hands lightly away from your hips and gently push your small back down into the mat. Broaden across the chest, point your nose to the sky. Start to wrap the ribs in and wrap the oblique muscles towards one another. Take an inhale, lift your pubic bone up, find the top of your bridge and pause. Squeeze where your thigh and your glute connect. Roll the shoulders back, point the nose to the sky, take a big inhale. And then one vertebra at a time, roll down to the ground. Inhale, tip your pubic bone up, lift to the top of your bridge. Exhale, roll down to the ground. 3 more times, just like that, simply waking up the body. It doesn't have to be the biggest bridge you've ever done. What I really want you to focus on is that wave, kind of letting each and every little vertebra follow one after the other. Now the next time that we lift our hips up, pause, keep them right there. Shoulders down the back, nose to the sky. Squeeze where your thigh and your glute connect just a little bit more. Take a big deep inhale. Big breath out. Another full inhale. Big sigh out. And then down we go. Now hold here, feel that work, feel your low body working just like we did in our bridge. Keep pushing down into your left leg and pick up your right. Now ideally we want our knee right over our hip, but if it's a little closer, a little further away, not the end of the world. And then take your right hand to the top of your right thigh. Flex your foot, push your thigh into your hand, push your hand back into your thigh. Notice if anything changed through our body. Can we keep wrapping the ribs in, pulling the tummy down? Take a big inhale. Big breath out. Set your right foot down, stomp down into it, cinch the waist, pick up the left leg, and then same thing, hand to thigh, push your thigh into your hand back into your thigh. Notice if there's any tension across your chest. I hope not. Keep it relaxed. Keep your nose to the sky. Take a breath. Set that foot down. Now again, pick up the right leg, hand to thigh, pause, flex of the foot, pull the navel in, inhale, straighten your leg away from your body, exhale as you bring it in, feel that push, that kind of connection. Inhale, straighten, exhale, tone and bend. Inhale, straighten, exhale, bend. 3 more, reach and pull. 2 more out and in. Last one out. Bring it in, pause, take a big breath. Set your right foot down. Pick up your left leg, flex the foot, hand to thigh. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. 3 more out and in. 2 more out and in. Last one. Bring it in, pause, take a breath. Hold the left leg there, pick the right to meet the left and both hands to the top of the thigh. Now, did it just feel like you swayed your back? We want to keep pressing our low back down, wrapping the ribs in, hands to our thighs, and then back and forth with our legs. Right leg away, exhale, pull. Left leg away, exhale in. Now, friends, if it's too much to do right and left at the same time, keeping both legs up, just set one leg down and repeat single legs on each side. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Inhale, straighten, exhale, pull. Inhale, straighten, exhale, pull. Let's do 2 more sets to each side. Away and in. Away and in. Last set. Last one. Hold. Go ahead and pull the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little hug, little squeeze. Set the feet down. Take the hands behind the head, elbows nice and wide. Now gently push into your heels. As you do so, feel your low back connect to the mat. Take a full big inhale. Curl your head and chest up. Gently look over your kneecaps. Not down at our tummy because that kind of crunches our neck in. Not up at the sky because that jets our chin forward. Simply over the knees. And now holding ourselves right here. If this is too much, set the head down, that's okay. Big inhale, pick up your right leg, give it a flex. Now again, pretend like your hand is still there, that you're pushing your leg into your hand, have that activation. Keep that idea, and then again, straighten the leg, exhale, tone and bend. Inhale, straighten the leg, exhale, bend. 3 more, reach and release. 2 more, reach and release. Last one out, in. Set the right foot down. Pick up the left leg if we can. If you need a pause between sides and set your foot down, that's okay, but otherwise straighten and pull. Straighten and pull. For 3 and 2. Last one. Right leg down. Lower the head and chest. Take a moment. Wiggle anything out you want to, and then curl up again. Low belly down, elbows nice and wide. Big inhale, pick up the right knee. Take a breath, pick up the left leg. Flex the feet, and then straighten and bend back and forth a little bit faster than we were going before. 1 out, 1 in. Now still think about that imaginary hand stopping your knee. It's almost like you're trying to drive your leg through it. Cinch your waist a little bit more. For 3, 2, 1. Both legs in. Take a big inhale. Feet down. Keep your head and chest lifted. It's like there's a great big ball sitting on your little tummy, lightly pushing down. Take a big inhale. Now I just want you to curl up about 1 centimeter. Drop tiny down. Exhale, tiny lift. Tiny up. Now do you see I'm still looking over my kneecaps, not at the sky, not down at my tummy, just gently over where my knees are. 2 more, little up, little down. Last one, little up, pause. Take a big inhale. Lower everything down. Wiggle anything out you need to. Now from here, pick up your right leg and hold it there. You can still think about that hand stomping or stopping your leg from going any further. And now we're going to do a little twist. Simply start by curling the head and chest up like we've already done. And we're going to twist our left shoulder towards our knee. It's irrelevant to me how close the elbow comes. Instead, I want you to take a big inhale, twist and reach your shoulder to the knee and drop it back. Again, twist shoulder to knee, drop it back. 3 more, twist and release. 2 more, twist and release. Last one, twist, pause, hold it right there. 5 times, push the leg away, exhale, cinch the waist, pull it in. Push the leg away, exhale, cinch the waist, pull it in. 2 more, push and pull. Push and pull. Last time, reach it out. Bring in, pause, take a breath. Foot down, look center, lower. Wiggle anything out you want to. You are doing fabulous. Go ahead, big inhale. Curl head and chest up, low belly down. Pick up your left leg. Now again, it's our shoulder reaching for our knee, not the elbow. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist and release. Twist and release. 3 and 2. Last one, hold. Push the leg away, pull it in. Push it away, pull it in. For 3 and 2. Last one, bring it in. Take a breath. Look forward, set the leg down, relax. Wiggle anything out you want to. You're doing fabulous. Hands down by your sides. Make sure the heels are in line with your sitting bones, shoulders nice and open. Lift to your bridge, pause, wrap the oblique muscles in. Squeeze your that thigh butt connection point. Push your pubic bone up higher. Take a big deep inhale. Big breath out. Another big inhale. Big breath out. Roll 1 vertebra at a time all the way down. Pull both knees into your chest. Give yourself a hug, a squeeze. Take a little rock and roll on the back of your body. Feeling a little silly. Who cares? Feels good on my back, on my spine. Come all the way up to a seat. Take your feet out in front of you, hands behind your thighs, roll the shoulders back, lift the heart and chest. And then from here, let's gently lean back into our Pilates C-curve. Tip off your sitting bones, round back. Maybe walk your feet together. Maybe it stays better for them to be apart. It's okay for me, but I do want you to think about using your inner thighs, almost squeezing them towards one another and really pushing your sacrum, that big bony plate at the base of your spine, down to the mat beneath you. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, pick up your right leg. Set it down. Pick up the left leg. Lower down, pick up the right. Lower down, pick up the left. One more time, pick up the right. Hold it there. Take a big breath. Bring the left to meet the right. Seal the inner thighs. Tone the tummy. Keep the elbows nice and wide. Big inhale. Right leg down. Left leg down. Now, big inhale. Exhale, pick up your left leg. Set it down, pick up the right leg. Lefts and rights are hard, friends. Honestly, we're always going to do both sides, and it's really not the end of the world if you start on the wrong side or if you do one side a second time. That just means your body needed a little bit more on one side than the other. Now, lift the left leg, hold. Big inhale, pick up the right to meet the left. Seal the inner thighs, pull the knees towards one another, and pull the knees towards the chest. Take a full, big, deep inhale. Big breath out. Now 5 times, can we set both feet down? Exhale, lift both feet up. Both legs down. Exhale, both legs up. Each time you lift the thighs up, cinch the waist more. Think about dropping your belly button down to the ground. Last one, lift and pause. If we can, take the hands away. If that's too much, it's okay. Reach the palms out and away. Push down into an imaginary table so we activate our arms just as much as the rest of the body. 5 times, can we reach our head and toes away from each other? Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull. Inhale, reach. Exhale, return. For 3 and 2. Last one, reach, pause. Hold it there if we can. If you need to come up, that's okay. If you want to take it up a notch, flutter your legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Seal the inner thighs. Cinch the waist. Tip off the sacrum even more. Again, flutter 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Big inhale. Pull it up. Take a breath. Take a seat. Big inhale. Both hands lift high. Exhale. Flip the palms. Push them down. Inhale. Both hands lift high. Hands behind the head. Elbows nice and wide. Take a big breath. Twist to the right. Look forward. Twist to the left. Look forward. Drop the hands down. Drop your chin to chest. Lift the back of your head up to the sky, giving yourself a little double chin. Roll right ear to right shoulder. Bring it back. Left ear to left shoulder. Bring it back. Bring your gaze up. As always, a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed our class today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.